Hello YouTube, this is your friend UMESH and welcome back to my channel Old School Motorcycles. In today's vlog we are traveling towards the most smoothest, beautiful and easiest road of the Mumbai, which is Western Express Highway. Super excited, and it's been a long time I am doing this ride solo. So let's start the journey. So basically this is the first toll towards the Mumbai. This is my bike. I just had a tea over here and now I'll just head towards this road. So guys, I have almost done with my breakfast. I usually do my breakfast at this hotel. So ride was very sweet and simple. एकदम आराम से गया, no stretching, no over speeding, कुछ भी नहीं, एकदम आराम से गया. I enjoyed a lot while riding. अभी I'll just take a U-turn and I'll hit back the road towards my So I am back to home, bike all clean and washed. So it was just a short, simple and fun ride. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I'll see you soon in my next vlog. Till then, bye.